Hi everyone, this is Vanessa Perez here with James looking at this beautiful property. The garage has high-grade epoxy flooring and it's got plenty of space for you to put in your toolboxes or any added things you want on here like the seller did.
Is this a two-car garage?
Yeah, it's a two-car garage.
Oh, okay. How far is this house from Fort Liberty, Fort Bragg, you think?
It's like a 30-minute drive, I would say.
Yeah. Well, with 295 coming in also, definitely makes it the drive a little easier to Fort Liberty, Fort Bragg if you're working on the base. So here we got the front porch of the house. They got the sellers here have some nice rocking chairs out here. So definitely a big front porch if that's what you're liking. Very nice neighborhood to live in. As we come into the house, what kind of, is that hardwood flooring or luxury vinyl plank?
That's luxury vinyl plank.
Okay, is that throughout the entire house?
Throughout the entire house except for the upstairs and bedroom.
We're in a dining room area. This is a formal dining area with coffered ceilings. What year was this house built?
This house was built in 2015 and it's got a brand new HVAC. It was installed February of 2024, so just 1 month old.
So now we're in the kitchen. It's a lovely working kitchen. They upgraded this kitchen, what, about a year or two ago?
Yeah, they just updated this kitchen in 2022. And by the way, that's a granite countertop. It's one whole piece.
Is that a wine rack right there they have there?
Yeah, they have a wine rack. It has a double oven. And on the bottom, I don't know, you can't tell here, but it's got toe-kicked drawers.
Okay, I know that's going to be in a video later on, so we'll show those the toe-kicked drawers here in just a second. These are pretty awesome. Definitely makes it more useful when you're cooking. You have both your hands are taking up cooking up the space. So there's a good shot of the granite countertop from a farther view. And those are the toe-kick drawers, I believe. Is that what they're called?
Toe-kick drawers.
So basically, as you're cooking, of course, your hands are full. You can kick the drawers in, kick them out, reach for other things. And there's 3 toe-kick drawers, I believe. One in both the ovens and one on the other side of the double oven. And what is this that you're pulling out?
So this is a pull-out kitchen mixer stand. Super convenient, so you don't have to be carrying it in and out. You just pull it out, use it, and then pull it back down.
Nice. And what is this?
Here you're going to see electrical connections as well as USB connections.
Nice.
They're nice and hidden. And here we have our touch box.
Straight here is the downstairs bathroom. It's a full bathroom, am I correct?
Yeah, that's a full bath.
And I know to the left you saw 2 doors. One is to the garage, and I think one is just to a closet. So this house has 3 full bathrooms. No half baths.
No half baths. They're all full baths.
And I believe this is the old bedroom downstairs.
Correct.
Okay. And the house has 5 bedrooms too. The other 4 bedrooms are upstairs, obviously.
Now, this bedroom is perfect for a guest with that full bath right next door.
Shot of the dining room area with the carpet ceilings. Those are gorgeous. Love carpet ceilings. And now we're going to head upstairs real quick and show you the upstairs. And how far away from Fort Bragg, Fort Liberty is this again?
I'd say it's 25 to 30 minute drive, depending on where on Fort Bragg you have to be.
And what about 20, 25 minutes out of Fayetteville, possibly? Like the heart of Fayetteville?
Yes.
And I know there's 2 hospitals close by.
Yeah, they're only a few minutes away. Polk Hospital is maybe 5 minutes away, if that. And then they also have a brand new aquarium, about 7-minute drive.
And is this one of the bedrooms, just like the bonus room?
This could be a bedroom or a bonus room. It's got a closet there, so whatever you want to do with that.
It's a good sized room. It looks like on both ends they have, I see where the owners here had like little desk and sewing area, looks like to me, and some dressers over there. So definitely to the left and to the right, you can stick a desk there or anything you want to. And right across the hall is going to be the master bedroom. And what kind of lights are these right here? I see they're going on and off.
So these are called halo lights. They are dimmable. And so the lights that are in the hallway and downstairs in the kitchen are Alexa enabled lighting. So
okay. And here we are in the master bedroom. We got double sinks, garden tub, and I believe a separate shower. Love the tiling they have around the tub. It looks very nice.
Yeah.
And they also have it in the shower. I like that too. That looks very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Did they have their bathrooms upgraded also, along with their kitchen? Okay, that'd be a no? Okay, got you.
No. That's a negative. I repeat.
And behind the door is a separate toilet with its own door also. Now we're headed back out to the hallway. Is this where you said the Alexa something?
Yeah, correct. The lighting up on the ceiling on this hallway is Alexa enabled.
Okay. So basically, if you talk to Alexa, turn lights on, turn music on, it'll activate?
Correct.
Okay. Okay, and this is a third full bath. It's got double sinks, I believe.
And this is the third bedroom. As you see, they have it designed up in pink for their little girl. Good size looking room.
And across the hall is going to be the 5th bedroom. He has it as an office, but that's going to be a 5th bedroom with a bonus room included. Now, is this house on well or septic, or is it city waters?
It's city watering.
Okay. And how many square feet is this house again?
It's 3,100 square feet.
3,100 square feet. And now we're in the backyard. He's got a nice screened-in porch. Fenced-in backyard. Does that shed stay?
Yeah, the shed is staying.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I'd like to thank Vanessa and her sellers for allowing me to video and tour their lovely home. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.